Hello everyone, welcome to Study Hacks of GIS and in today's session try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can use our data and check the microplastic. So I hope after completing the tutorial are able to learn the SAR data and then how to check microplastic and cause SAR data for challenge as the radar sense primary detect the and backscatter rather than specific chemical or biological properties. But Sentinel-1 can still provide the valuable information by identifying the certain water surface characteristics with the microplastic accumulation, such as surface roughness pattern affected by wind, current, or hydrodynamic factor. So first of all, we have to Sentinel-1 SAR data. And you can say I already write the code. Try to explain detect microplastic. So I just simply imported the collection and I and further time period and just try to filter the scenario can be a polarization have out the areas with roughness it with the areas where are micro. So if I just try it roughness, I try to use it and further when I just try to display I like a scatter. Basically from here I can also detect some object. Basically this is the content find out type of object, type of property. I can easily basically the type of getting that micro type of feature we can take excater use roughness analyze. We find out type of this type of microplastic area, but we are not can be sometime board. Okay, so this also get here, but better which is type of properties can be. But further, if you want to, then you also try to check for your specification or coordinate. But I think it's just microplastic because it's randomly distributed. Find out this properties. Yes, further with tracking temporal variation. Temporal description density can reveal the accumulation where microplastic might be spent of time. So for that, we are just simply calculated the then you can tracking the temporal variation in water surface. So for that, at the code, try to put there, and I try to calculate it the collection. If I just try to in it roughness, yeah, in series to identify the step like a step of not this type of method, just try to click on this increase I run the how I got this red training. the high roughness. Now, current and current detection. It's slow current, microplastic likely to accumulate. And look for VS aligned with the current zone at the coastal area. For that, we try to this, we try to call, and further check for this better, better microplastic. Try to escape because it's hitting the vegetation, let's say rough areas, align with the current zone, and in this that slow moving find out microplastic likely type of reef. Find out this type of reef that you can see area. For that we are here you can step with the station after this really VS will at that biggest or less areas with time. Find out this type of result. I got this type of this that kind of way identify for technique, but not only that. If you search the different types of research paper, I simply open the Google Scholar that's there, and if you take the more other algorithm, find out the lot of identify for microplastic. I simply search here, it takes, or you also try to use a hyperspectral imaging. If this is another, get the more better is hyperspectral imaging algorithm. The microplastic identify hyperspectral high dimension. They are using also type of that microplastic. You take the same as this microplastic, and further you can all of microplastic from. But in this we are also using take the more potential a lot of way right here the multispectral single search here. Then identify a lot of people you also brightness identify Google Earth engine. We can see topic today's number for upcoming online program. So basically, our training will be start from uh, November. So you can get all of information of 5th year, and this registration is open now. Basically, this is our online training program. Online training program. We try to. So if you have no knowledge already about that, for completing able to any types of so here you can get these are percentage on exam and classification covers live training program and you also get class you can get all right and you will get some benefit when you want to learn our join our online program, certificate and when you get practice recorded class okay so and this lifetime as a big faces lot of problems so that's why you support and make it so upper complex problem regarding this any content you apply it for your career you face problem so you can get the lifetime free teaching support try this upcoming online I already give and you get the 50 and join the life that stay happy stay safe